Hi there, my name is Doron Santo and I'm the founder of Onsen Secret and also its product developer. I want to thank you for purchasing our products and I want to show you what's the right way to use it. So you probably purchase our nail care kit or nail buffer or cuticle conditioner serum or one of our nail care products. We only make natural nail care treatments. They're designed to really revive the nail and completely transform it. The product was first created and invented in a proprietary technology in 2005, and it's been selling in millions of units all around the world. While want to first look at our first product, the nail buffer, right? So our nail buffer comes with 4 pads, and it's wrapped with a clear wrap vinyl wrapping. So first remove it and keep in mind, replace it when you finish using the products. These pads, while it looks like a regular buffer, it's really something very different. The pads are extremely sensitive to moisture, to oils, to dirt. So after use, please replace the vinyl wrapping on the buffer. The first thing that you want to note is hold the buffer only in that way. Don't touch the pads. Right now I'm touching it because of the vinyl wrapping. Don't touch the pads because, again, of the sensitivity of the pads, right? So hold it between your fingers, remove the wrappings, and we're going to start with the yellow step. Let me find the pad over here. There you go. So that's the way that we will hold the buffer. And we're going to start with a yellow pad. They are also numbered, so it's easy to follow, right? So these buffing pads will not thin your nail down as normal regular buffers that you can buy in any nail salon or beauty supply store, etc. We are talking on a different breed of a buffer, right? The buffer is made from a very unique buffing pads, all naturals. There's no chemicals in the pads. The grit is extremely fine, and we're using like proprietary materials to buff the nail so it doesn't hurt or damage the integrity of the nail itself, the structure of the nail, so the nail will not split or break, as opposed to other buffers that you will find in the market. That's why this buffer is considerably very expensive compared to the regular buffers that you can buy $3 or $4 in any beauty supply store. But there is a very good reason for that, and I'm going to show you why, right? So the first pad, the yellow one, designed to remove ridges, stains, and smooth the nail, again, in a way that does not thin the nail structure down, right? You should hold, you can use your thumb to support your nail and move between your fingers like that, and that's how we're going to start. So buffing from a side to side. You don't need to put any pressure, not like a regular buffer, very, very light pressure. The buffing pad will do the work on its own. We'll take what needs to be taken now and we'll leave whatever needs to be left right now. So for 10 seconds, very light motion. And usually what I would do, I would buff all the nails with the same pad on both hands at the same time, and then I will move to the next step. The next step is our blue pad. It's a finer buffing padding, and it's designed to actually stimulate the nails, right? So it keeps giving additional buffing for the nail itself, make it finer, but at the same time it also helps to stimulate, almost like massaging the nail, driving more oxygens, vitamin and minerals for the nail, so that will help to revive and help the nail itself. Again, for 10 seconds. And the motion is like, you know, from side to side, and then when you're going to the corners is like that and like that. You don't want to use it on the edge of your nail, right? This is designed to be used only on the top of the nail. You should feel that your nail is extremely smooth at that point, and it's very good if you can compare between fingers. It helps to show the great difference. And then the last step are 2 white pads over here, right? Both of them are the same. So we are providing you 2 pads, so it will give you like long shelf life. These pads are sensitive, and I'm going to explain what to do when they are wearing out. But same thing, you want to clean your nail first or wipe them down with a tissue paper. Just take the dust off. If you're washing your hands, make sure that they are dry before using this pad. And then on the same way, very light motion, side to side, 5 to 10 seconds, and that's it. Now, are you ready to see the results? I don't know if the camera will be able to present what this nail is all about, but if you will try it at home, again, I'm shooting it by myself. If you'll try it at home, you will see that your nail is extremely smooth, shiny, and that coat that you have on your nail is not really a coat, it's your natural nail. There's nothing there. If you try to scratch it, remove it, nothing will come off. You will see a huge difference between the fingers, between the one that you've done and the one that you haven't. You can almost see through the nail. So what you're having here is a natural moisture lock that has been given to your nail by using this buffer. The buffer helps to attract moisture from the nail bed into the nail itself, helps to create a moisture lock to prevent and protect you from the main enemy of your nails, which is dryness. So dryness comes from, like, water, of course, dryness in the air, chemicals, soaps, detergents, nail polish, acrylic nails, gel-wax, anything that you put on your nails. All those, again, nail polishes, acrylics, and so on, those are basically types of glues with pigments in them that stick to your nail, right? While they are there, they're actually sucking the dryness of the nails, and that's what makes your nails so fragile. That's what makes your nails break, split. And most of the time, after acrylic and gel-wax or gel nails, the nail will look horrible when you take it off. One of the ways to use this buffer is in the intervals, in between. So if you're using a nail polish, use it in between nail polish to revive the nails, to bring in moisture. Most of the nail polish that you will apply afterwards will look extremely smooth, will remain on your nail in a better way, so meaning that it will last longer, and it will affect less on your nails. So it will not dry your nails, will not leave yellow stain also afterwards. And right now, the shine is part of your nail. You can't take it off. Of course, if you are going to expose your hands to chemicals, you would see that it deteriorates, so you can keep using it. On a regular use, you should use this buffer once a week on all the pads. It can also be used on the toenails. And of course, once you finish using it, just wrap it again. Now, one of the wrap the vinyl wrapping again. One of the great benefits of this buffer and the way that we design it is that you will not need to buy this buffer again, most likely for the next, so far, at least 15 years. Those are the real evidence that we have from customers that have purchased this product as we just started. So the buffer has replaceable pads. So you can actually peel these pads and buy only the buffing replacement buffer pads at fraction of the cost. Of course, saving money here. Easy to apply. It's a peel and stick. So get the old one out, and let me pick the replacement pads, and you can stick them back on the buffer. Yeah, so it might take you a couple of tries to really understand the nail buffer, especially if you're using like regular nail buffers. Please be patient with it. If for whatever reason it doesn't work for you, like with all our products, you have 60 days money back guarantee. Just hit us, send us an email, go to our website, through Amazon, wherever you are, just reach out to us. Let us know what didn't work. We will help you, we will replace, we will support you, we will guide you. We want to really help you save your nails. So just a quick show on how to change the buffer pads. You see, when you buy the kit, it comes with this box, or you can purchase it separately. Those are all 4 buffing pads, and you should replace it every 60 days. We have people that know how to use it really well, and they can use it and they can replace it, less frequent, but that's kind of what you do. Now, it's easy to be used with all the family, right? So you can wipe clean the buffers pads if you're sharing it within people in the family, or just get few of those. So this is the pad that I have removed. Those are the stick and peel and stick buffing pads. You just take them, peel the backing, it's quite easy, and you simply stick the buffing the pad onto the buffer, tap it, that's it, it's like new, right? So The buffing block is made from materials that can sustain humidity and bathroom environment, so they won't get any fungus or any bacteria. All you need to do is replace the pads and place the wrapping when you're finished using it. Now, before that, I want to show you how to use it on your left hand or on your right hand, depends on what is your strong hand. So for me, when I do that, it's I would hold the buffer still, because it's hard to move, for me with the left hand. I will hold the buffer still and I will just move the hand, right? Just like that. Very simple. Now, if you're filing your nail, it's better to file your nail first, right? The edge of the nail first, and then to use the buffer. Once you have finished with the buffer and you did all the shining, we have two different products. One of them is a cuticle serum, and one of them is the nail reboot oil, nail and cuticle oils. Both of them are amazing. The oil comes in a roll-on bottle and 30 mLs. It's made out of all sorts of Japanese oils, including tsubaki, rice bran. It's very rich, not oily. Actually, it's what we call a dry oil. So you just apply a drop and massage it on your finger going backwards. Of course, if you're doing all your nails, then just apply it all of them. Just like one drop will kind of do 4 or 5 fingers. You're putting it by going backwards with your finger, and that's it. The unique element with this oil is that actually it's the only oil in the market, the only nail and cuticle oil treatment that's designed to give you nail fungus protection. So as long as you apply it once or twice a day, the area will not accept any fungi, and you will be protected. So highly recommended, fingernails and toenails. And we have an additional product, which is the cuticle serum. It's a product that we actually invented, and it's the first time when I created this nail care kit. I wanted to create a product that will be kind of a hybrid between oil, cream, and butter. Something that will be easy to travel with, not messy, not leaving any stains. And the nail and cuticle conditioner serum was invented. It comes in a tube. If you're buying a kit that has both of them, so use the oil in the morning and the serum at night, or whatever is comfortable for you, but once a day from each, that will really nourish your nails, your cuticle, will make them stronger. These kits or these products are one of the fastest recovery methods that you can have in the world for post-acrylic, post-gel nails treatments when you want to recover, thin, flimsy nails. It also by our customers, and with testaments of thousands of customers that have reported that it actually even helps with nail biting. The texture of the nail becomes so smooth and so refined, so natural, that when you try to bite the nail, you just kind of lose the interest because it feels so good. That's almost like a side effect of the product. Go and make it into the serum. Same thing. You will apply a little drop on the nail and just massage it by going backwards, right? So the serum itself designed to seep through the nail. It will not give you that oily feeling or greasy feeling on the nail. It will be very thin. It goes in, but it stays on for hours, and it really nourishes both the nail bed and the cuticles itself and the skin. By the way, this nail reboot oil is so unique with its Japanese tsubaki oil, and it's all oil combinations, that I highly recommend as a hack to use it on dry elbows, dry knees, feet. See how it works. This is safe to be used on your face, everywhere in your body, and that's what I really love to do. So just a tiny drop, right? Do like this once a day. You just apply it on your hair, right? And see how the natural shine of your nails, of your hair, is coming through. You will not see that your hair is oily. Everything will feel natural. The glow of the hair, the natural glow of the hair will come into your hair. So there you have it. I believe that I mentioned everything. And I really hope that you enjoyed. And if for whatever reason you have any question, you need any help with the product, please reach out to us. We're here to help you. And if for whatever reason it didn't work out for you, just ask us and we will refund you the product. You can even keep the product, and we'll just give you like a refund, because all our efforts is to really give you an alternative to keep healthy nails in a natural nail, to help you transform your nails. Doesn't matter from what condition you're coming from. Doesn't matter what's the starting point. I promise you a complete transformation. Give it 60 days so the nails go through its cycle process, and you can see the results for yourself. By the way, we have an amazing ebook that I wrote by myself because I wanted to share my energy with you, and it's available on any product. There should be a barcode that you can download the nail book. So the nail care book, please do that, download it, just go through it, give it it's like a couple of minutes. There's some nice stories that I share with you guys from Japan, a little bit about my history and how I discovered onsen and where onsen is all about and what onsen is all about, and as well as sharing you some deeper insight about the products, the ingredients, and more details on how to use this product and enjoy it properly. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much. Love you all.